Finally, the background is changed by changing the setting entirely. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nidhi, and if you have watched my previous videos, you might know the fact that I was staying in Punjab at that time and I've had to come to Delhi. So here I am back in Delhi, back to my normal routine basically. And because it was after a very long time that I told you that I was staying in Punjab for a very long time, I actually am missing that place very much. Well, more specifically, I'm missing my siblings because obviously वो इधर उधर घूमते रहते थे तो that was another stage of joy or happiness. But you have to go on with the flow. You have to go on with your life. This is what living is all about. पिछली वीडियो में मैंने बात की थी कि why backup is very important, and one of the justifications that I'll give you in this video is that I was not able to post last Friday because I came back here on 2nd Feb 2026, that was Monday, and I just had one video in my backup which I could post on YouTube, and I did post it on YouTube. But for Friday I did not have any video, I did not have anything that I could edit. मेरे पास कोई रॉ मटेरियल भी नहीं थी उस चीज़ के लिए, so I could not post it. And मतलब I obviously had a lot of days in which I could shoot that video and post it, but वो चीज़ नहीं हो पाई because मतलब इसके excuses हो सकते हैं या you can consider them genuine reasons कि I just completely shifted a place, so it was very difficult. It was a little difficult for me to get back into that category, and I was basically jet lagged. I know that word is for a different thing, but still, it takes time for you to change completely. And owing to the fact that I had to make up my mind, that I have to make up my mind to get back into a scheduled routine, was something that actually made me overthink about that again and again. Anyways, I'm back in Delhi and I was welcomed here by a lot of my friends saying that welcome back to pollution, noise, and traffic. I genuinely apologize for the volume problem. I did not know कि ऐसी sound आ रही है until I heard it. And since it said that जो आपकी चीज़ आप पहली बार में कोई चीज़ करते हो तो जिस वे में वो चीज़ होती है you cannot copy it. तो I wanted to keep that video, but I'll take care of this thing in the future. मेरा plan था यहाँ आने से पहले that I wanted to write down all the things that I had to do in the coming future, in the near future, or maybe in the immediate future like that. मतलब मैंने कुछ plans बना रखे थे, but obviously because of some things, some reasons, I could not do that. आने से पहले there was a lot of work that I had to complete, including packing and going to buy some things, and obviously spending time with my siblings because I know कि अब मैं काफ़ी time तक उनसे नहीं मिलने वाली हूँ. But nonetheless, I'll try to sit in the next video in front of you and try to jot down all the points that I wanted to do and what is the reason behind all the things that I wanted to do. Okay, I've been on this planet from the past 24 years basically, right? But I feel like अभी तक मेरे किसी भी action से there is any significant impact on the economy, which is not what I wanted to do from the beginning. Since it's the age of Instagram and I've seen a lot of influencers, I really want to do something that actually creates an impact. I am sure that a lot of you might also think this way. कुछ लोग नहीं चाहते, they just want to live their lives on their own. But there are some people like me who want to actually do it. The only problem is that I feel like why I was not able to do such things was that initially I did not think of anything. But जब मैंने इसके बारे में सोचा, तब तक there is a lot of information out there on the internet, and if you try to follow each and every person, it becomes very difficult for you to actually take a step. मतलब वो सब चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में इस तरीके से घूमती है, मतलब आपके लिए नहीं, but more specifically I am saying what I felt for me is that वो चीज़ें इतनी ज़्यादा ही दिमाग में घूमने लग जाती है that you end up not doing that, rather just thinking that. This is one of the reasons that I started this YouTube channel was कि no matter what मैं कुछ बकवास भी करूँ, but I will try to make up a video and post it so that one day maybe in future I will sit with the phone and my YouTube channel and I can basically say this thing to myself कि यार शुक्र है मैंने start कर दिया, मतलब I will never have a regret of not being able to take the action. So one of the things that I've learned is that you have to do anything that is coming up in your mind. मतलब obviously it should be ethical because that is your dream. जो भी चीज़ आपको सबसे पहले आती है ना, that is something that you actually want to do. उसको सोचने के बाद since we are human beings and इतना दिमाग है हमारे पास, हम चीज़ों को खुद ही ख़राब कर लेते हैं. लाइक ऑफ कोर्स वी विल थिंक अबाउट इट इन अ पॉजिटिव वे, बट हम अपने थ्रेट्स को ज़्यादा एनालाइज करने लग जाते हैं, राइट? सो व्हाई डू यू डू दैट थिंग? मतलब अभी के लिए जस्ट स्टार्ट इट ना. there's a very popular quote these days that at least just start and then make it perfect. That is what the least we can do. And after taking that first step, it is very important that you stay consistent throughout that journey, right? Matlab, obviously, if I see this thing to myself, it was a failure for me that I was not able to upload a video the last Friday, right? फेलियर आप अपने हिसाब से डिसाइड करते हो. लेट्स से आई एम इन अ स्कूल एंड आई वांट टू बी इन द टॉप 5 स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ द क्लास. तो अगर मैं 6 नंबर पे भी होंगी तो वो मेरे लिए एक फेलियर होगा. सिमिलरली, नॉट बीइंग एबल टू पोस्ट ट्वाइस वीकली was my failure. But nonetheless, we learn from failure, right? So I learned that I was not applying the things that I was telling you, that having a backup is important. So I will try to do that as soon as possible कि मैं एक अच्छा backup अपने पास रखूँ, right? And I will be consistent. When I was growing up, my father used to say a quote to me, and he made me write that quote on a lot of books that I've read. So that quote was कि without dedication you cannot start, and without consistency you cannot end. And I feel that it is 100% true. Dedication के बिना आप शुरू कर ही नहीं सकते हो किसी चीज़ को. And obviously dedication is very important because dedication नहीं होगी तो in this world you will just keep on thinking about what will people think, right? In this social world more specifically. So उस fear को, उस judgment को overcome करके, if you are able to start something, if you are able to pursue your first step in that, that is where dedication will help you. And without doing that effort on a continuous basis, you will not be able to achieve the result. Consistency is very important. I had a plan in my head that from this year, every month I'll try to inculcate a good habit in me, and I'll try to throw away a negative habit of mine, right? January chala gaya and I was not able to do so, and February has officially started. So there is one thing that I will do definitely, that is do something. Because I know that I am that kind of person जो अगर किसी काम को सोच ले and if I don't take any action to do that, I will end up thinking and then throwing it out of my head soon. So definitely it is very important for me to do or take actions for that thing. So I'll try to be as consistent as possible. And about the negative habit that I am going to leave this month, I'll tell you in the next video. So do follow up. So I hope you also try to put up as many good habits this year and be able to achieve whatever you want to. But obviously you need to work very hard for that. Simple message, a simple quote that I've heard this time is that be so delusionally optimistic and incredibly hardworking that it becomes unreasonable that you fail. So let's go on that journey of being the best version of ourselves together, and we know we'll be able to achieve it, right? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.